You ready? We're boarding. Look at my outfit. Sponsored by Emma.
Sponsored by Papa Smurf.
No. Do I look like a Smurf? Do I look like a Smurf?
Exactly like Filipino Smurf.
A cute one though.
Filipino Smurf.
At least I'm cute. Yeah, this is Ama sweatsuit set. Thank you. This is our car for 3 days. It's a Chevy, I think Equinox. Yeah, for 3 days. Guys, this is our view from our hotel. We are by the water. I think I just missed sunset, but it's so freaking nice. It looks so cool. It's a little dark now because it's sun is setting. Well, it's already set, but this is our view from our hotel. It's around Clearwater, and there's like the mini or like restaurant right across as well. Cute. Good morning, besties. So today is the day that we walk. I think we're gonna do a final walkthrough, and today is the closing date on our house, and I'm like freaking out. I'm excited. We haven't seen this house in person, so this is gonna be the first time we're gonna see this house in person. But we have, you know, we've seen a couple pictures because our realtor sent us picture weekly, and I'm just so excited. Hopefully it goes smoothly, and hopefully there's no problem and anything. But yeah, I didn't really vlog yesterday because I got no sleep. I barely slept, and my husband barely slept, and he has to work. I'm not sure if he even worked last night. So he's been working a lot, but I think he's gonna take sometime soon, take a couple days off soon, so we can, you know, pack, because after signing this we're not gonna eventually like move because we are still doing a rental property. I don't know if you guys seen my past vlogs. I've mentioned about our rental property. We kind of like renovated, and so yeah, we're not leaving until that rental property is done. So it's been a little stressful for him because he's been working there, and I'm just excited. So I'm gonna get ready. I have my mirror bag here. I'm gonna get ready, and I think I'm gonna do like a dedicated house tour. I don't know yet if I'm going for it, but I feel like I'm gonna do a house tour for you guys. I'm just excited. But yeah, let me know what more videos do you guys want to see about this new house. I'm definitely gonna do those like decorating the whole, you know, living room, the kitchen, the master bathroom, and also besties, we're gonna have our own studio room. So I'm definitely gonna film more beauty videos and also fashion videos in my own studio room, because as you guys know, my studio in our other house is kind of like slash his office. So I'm gonna have my own, so I'm definitely have a lot of space now. But yes, anyways, I'm just wearing this top from Drift Avenue, the sugar top, I think, and the necklace is from Luisa right here, and then these earrings are from a jewelry, and also the bracelet, so you guys see, from a jewelry. Hold on. Outfit change because I can't stand the jeans and it's way too loose, so I'm changing it with my Drift Avenue true black dress. Yeah, and these heels I thrifted these. besties. So we just did our final walkthrough to the house, and it's bigger than we expected. I mean, I think that's a good thing, because in the pictures, I always see these pictures and we were like, why is it so small? Like everything, it looks so small in the pictures, but then when we were walking at the house, everything is like just big, which is a really good thing. And right now we're just stopping at the gas station. We're gonna go sign, we're on our way to sign our papers, sign our life away. But yeah, we're gonna go to a title company and, you know, start signing, and then we're gonna go back to the house, and I'm gonna film a house tour. Hopefully I can have my husband to video everything, because it's a little shaky. He doesn't really know how to film, but hopefully he can film it, because I want to do like a empty house tour for you besties. There's still a lot of construction nearby the house, so I think we're gonna be for a couple months. We're gonna hear like construction noises, because our neighbors they're still like building some of the houses nearby us. But I'm pretty excited to see, you know, I mean, I'm pretty excited to move in and do all the organizing and decorating the house. And I'm excited for you guys to see this house. Like we're happy. Both my husband and I are really happy. He's just getting gas right now, but yes, I'll do a house tour for you besties. I'm trying to save this battery so I can do a house tour, because I have my charger. I just didn't bring my extra battery. So yeah, this is gonna be our new home. This is gonna be our new place. So pretty excited. We're kind of like touring our new area that we're gonna live in, because we're not familiar here yet. So we're just, you know, browsing around. So yes. Did you buy your black and mild?
I think I gotta go buy a lighter.
Oh.
Keep becoming misplaced.
But just,
no, I got matches.
You have one?
I'll just use the matches.
Okay. Well, yes, I'll update you besties later. So we just signed like a lot of paperwork, and we're just like waiting for them. And hopefully we go back and get our keys. I'm pretty excited. So I did a separate video of the house tour, empty house tour. Make sure to check that out. And yes, we're gonna be spending we're gonna sleep here, and because we bought I mentioned before, we bought like an air mattress, so we want to make sure to kind of like, you know, spend time here before we go back to Maryland, because that's when we're gonna actually move. We cannot move in, like we cannot move like right this week, because I still have to work. Yeah, I still have to work. Plus he is not done with our other rental property. So the minute that that's done, then that's when we're gonna start packing. So you guys are probably gonna see that more of the videos. If you guys like packing with me, let me know so I can, you know, I can film it for you guys. But yes, we're gonna do a lot of packing, and you know, we're gonna drive actually. So our plan is to sign the papers, do a walkthrough, and then come back to Maryland, since we're gonna pack. Our original plan was to just, you know, move after we sign, is move in after, but we had a problem with our rental, so we can't really like leave that alone, so we have to fix that. Now the whole plan is like messed up. So anyways, but it's fine, you know, we're not in a rush really. We just kind of like making sure everything is fine. But anyways, I feel like we should celebrate. I think we're gonna celebrate somewhere. We are close to a lot of beaches. There's actually plenty of beaches around where we're at right now, so which is really good. And we talk, because we have a community pool. It's so pretty, you guys. It's like, it's beautiful, but they don't have an actual hours for our community pool yet. But
dusk to dawn.
yes, they said dusk to dawn, and no night, how do you what did it say? The skinny dipping. Yeah, she mentioned no skin dipping, because there's gonna be 7 cameras. I don't know why she said that, so she said it. So we're celebrating. Look at this fool. Yeah, this beer. I'm waiting for my drink too. We got some calamari here, and he got his beer. Oh, here's my drink. Thank you. Here's my watermelon mojito, and we have this for appetizers. Cheers. Cheers. Look at that. You excited?
Yes.
Okay. And I got garlic parmesan. It's so good. Alright, that looks so delicious. So I just blew up this air mattress. This is queen size, I think. He got it from Amazon. So I'm gonna put our sheets so we can sleep here for tonight. I think I mentioned that we have to go back to Maryland, and that's where we're gonna start packing. So yeah, we're gonna go back to Maryland and start packing, and hopefully the other rental property is done. Hopefully I'm just like crossing fingers, so by the time that the rental property is done, we're officially like, this is just like a soft move in, I would say. Yeah, I'm excited, besties, and I'm gonna just, you know, take my makeup off and rest and just soak this in, because it's still like new, I would say. But yeah, I'm just so tired. I need to take my makeup off and just relax, because it's just been a long day today. But anyway, besties, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next vlog or another video. Bye.